How to change YouTube location or country and watch other countries training videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can change the location or country for your YouTube account, whether you are on Android or iOS. Now if you want to get access to the videos that is not available on your region and you want access to other region videos, then here's what you can do. It's quite simple and easy. So you want to simply go ahead and first open up YouTube and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you do so, you want to head over to your profile. At the bottom right, you'll be able to see the U option there, and then you want to tap on settings gear icon at the top right. Once you do so, on the settings, you want to simply head into general. Under general, you'll be able to see various options, and if you scroll down below, you should be able to find the option that says location. You can simply tap on the location option and then simply tap on the particular location there and then switch to the location there. So once you do so, you'll be able to change your YouTube location or country and access the videos from that particular region. So hope this helps you to like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.